Let's move towards another question. Question number 19. The language c to the power m plus n a to the power m b to the power m, where n comma n is greater than 1 is a regular, b context free but not regular, c context sensitive but not context free, d type 0 but not context sensitive language. So our answer is A, because this language have a very simple rule and cannot handle dependencies across long distance in a string. In this case, the number of c's m plus n depend on both the number of a's and n's, which are far apart in the string. Regular expression cannot express this kind of relationship, so the language is not regular. Context-free language. This language can handle some dependency, but they still have limitation. A context-free language can define rule for generating string where the next symbol depends only on the current non-terminal symbol, not the surrounding context. That's why the language isn't context-free. The number of C's is determined by both the number of A's and M appearing much earlier on the string. A CFL passes wouldn't be able to remember the counts of A's and B's by the time it encounters the C. The dependency requires looking back at previous symbol, which is beyond the capability of a context-free parser. Context-sensitive language. This language can handle dependencies that go beyond when context-free language can. They can use the surrounding context to determine the next valued symbol. Why the language is context sensitive? A context sensitive passes could potentially keep track of the counts of the A's and B's as it reads the string. When it counters the sequence of C's, it can verify if the number of C's matches the sum of the counters of A's and B's. This requires using context free from earlier parts of the string, which is characteristic of context sensitive language. So our answer is answer number A. Thank you.